Who is Boyd Pind? In fact, what is Boyd Pind? Let's find out. After the event of Rain Return, the Void remains a mysterious extra-dimensional force, actively collecting artifacts, creatures, objects, and sometimes even survivors. Among these is the Void Pind. Originally, it was a commando of a UES or United Earth System captured by the Void due to its curiosity about the survivor. It was placed into a simulacrum where it was slowly transformed by corruption. Logs suggest that the Void Fiend tried repeatedly to escape, but the Void maintained complete control over its body. Once fully corrupted, the Void released the Void Fiend for unknown purposes, likely to serve as an enforcer of its tendency to contain and control threats. Fun fact: after defeating Matrix, Void Fiend is the only survivor ending phrase is "so it comes for all of us," other than "so he, she, they left," indicating that the Void Fiend is still wary of the Void existence and will bring destruction to the world.